crush niya na wala namang paki sa kanya. Aray mo. Tagal naman tumaan may crush dito. Miss ko na siya eh. Bakit? Miss ka ba? Uy, grabe ka. Siyempre, miss ako nun. Patay na patay sa akin yan eh. Sus, sa kapag
Mr.
mo lang yan. So, ayos
Confidant.
mo kung minamalit. Bird, sa ano tong araw na to. Pag naging kami ni crush, sisi ko na to. Pinasted niya ako, pre. Sabi ko naman kasi sa'yo, tigilan mo na, diba? Ayun tuloy. Ayoko na, pre. Wala na yata akong mahanap na
Oh my God,
ex
Dad.
para sa akin. Meron yan. Huwag kang susuko. Pero pag ako walang nahanap, ikaw na lang kaya. Ano? Ano?
Napakakalaato naman mga
Kailan ka pa
pag-iingat
naging
ang bayad
puting?
ko.
Scramble kayo dyan. Pampalamig.
Sige.
Para sa mga
Kakain na ako.
Kundi naman
Hindi, saan ka na?
sus, tinamaan ka lang sa sinabi niya eh.
Ay, tama. Thank you for...
Thank you for the watching and the people that...
Pre, kung malas ka talaga sa mga above, baka sa tomboy na nag-scramble, pwede ba? Oo, pre, i-reset ko talaga yan. Kung may kilig moments with crush, may kilig moments din syempre sa mga mag-ex dyan. Okay, plus, recitation tayo ngayon. So, Mr. Kenner,
Oh my God.
sagutin mo tong tanong ko. Sir, bakit ako aggress, John?
We're
Nasaan
friends.
na yung tinutuloy yung tahanan dati? Miss Gwen, nasan ka na daw? Ikaw ay kagiyan ba yung mag-ex? Oo, sila. Baka yan. Ano ba? Tumigil nga kayo. Sir, wala na bang ibang tanong? Sige, ito na lang. Kung ang English ng manok ay chicken, may pag-asa pa bang magkabalikan kayo ni Miss Gwen? Baka, kaya, presentation pa talaga to. Ako ang mukhang hindi masagot ni Mr. Kenner ang katanungan. Sige, magtatawag na lang ako ng iba. Miss Gwen, Miss tumayo ka? Tumayo ka na, dali.
Sige. Salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you for 4 million. How are you guys?
Do you want to eat now?
Yeah, I want to eat. Can you give me food? Please. Can you give me food, Gab? Bait talaga ni Gab. Kaya mabakalaw ko. Luwagan mo ako. Thank you, Gab. Bait talaga ni Kuya Cam Peso. Thank you for the 8 people, million. I'm watching my... Sorry. I had to watch myself. Thank you. 9 people in the house. Hi, good evening. Have a nice day. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Like. I found the love for me. Darling, just thank you sa nag-likes.
People to the house.
Taga mo ng kutsara ko yan. Thank you, aray ko. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Thank you, 13 million in the house. Oh, thank you for the 19 million. Thank you so much. Hi, have a nice day to you night here in the Philippines. Hey, Pilipicador. Pilipicador, hi. 23 people.
Kutsara.
No.
Ligo. Ligo.
Asa na ba dito yung science mo?
Paluwayan ka nakalive ako.
Ayun, kita ko na.
Thank you for watching. Hi, beautiful. Hi, Dennis. Dimulan Official. Hi. Gab. Gabriel. Thank you for watching. Gusto mo, tigsayo kita. Hey, Philip. Gusto mo? Hi, Magic 12. Why Magic 12? Why 12? What about 12?
Mamaya naman ako.
Man.
Saka mo practice? Tara. Ura ka mo pag ano? Ano ka ba na batch?
2003.
Ato ka sa akin.
Dennis, thank you, Dennis. Magic 12. Hello.
Di ka ma-join sa pantamina?
Parang bot lang. Kadiri ako nakaan. Parang mo nang ganun.
Ano yun?
Ang kanina. Sa daan. Balong ko kanina. Sa daan niyo.
Manok ma, gusto kong tasuli yan. Ano yan, baga ako manok.
Doon yung kara-juice car.
Full na magic sarap ang ano. Nagbakal ako nung durol ay baga ako. Sabi ang magic sarap gini sa mix.
Yes po, I'm doing well.
Ay, naganda dito ma, ha? Mama niya.
Dari ini mo ang live ko.
Ay, ang live dito ha. Ay, ma'am.
Jadi ako. Hi sis! Kain! Ano ba siya?
Ano dito? Uparehas lang.
Kaya nga, naka-live ako tapos inimod ka ang live ko. Ibig ko sabihin, naka-play ako dito sa saro ng cellphone. I-click ka ang live ko.
Ah,
Pero di ako naka-live ako. I-click ko dito sa saro ng cellphone ang live ko. Enjoy your meal. Thank you, Magic 12. Hi sis!
pag nga makama ako.
Where are you from, Magic 12?
Magic 12. Wala, magic 9. Ito na ako. Nakakuha ka na boarding house?
Hindi pa.
Para pwede ito nakakasit ko.
Ano, nahapot mo na?
Binitawan ko na to.
May aircon.
Hindi ko lang nakapot.
Ang importante may aircon.
Sa agaw ko lang.
Hi, Sir Ben. Paris, France. Paris, France. How old are you? Magic 12. Hi, Sir Ben. How are you, Sir Ben? Maano ka na? Bahal ka na? Yes, okay. Thank you, Sir Ben. Thank you so much. Me 41. I'm older than you, 41 years old. I'm fine there. I'm going to have my breakfast now, but I'm still watching. Thank you, Sir Ben. Thank you so much. Oh, Magic 12. Yes. Yes, I'm 41. How are you all doing there? Everything's fine here in Bicol. How about you, sis, there in Taiwan? How are you there? Agtudang! Ay, babang! Ang ganda! Come here! There I wrote in Portuguese. Ah, okay po. I'm pretty good, sis. Ah, okay. Thank you for 16 people. Thank you for the 16 people. I would never have thought. Ah, why? Why Magic 12? Hi, Pusakal! Hi! Thank you for joining, Pusakal. How are you? Nakato ka na? Yes. Come on, let's eat. Ayan si Tudang. Babang. Ha? Mm. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the likes. Thank you to those hit the likes. Thank you so much. I'm okay. Same problem. Lack money. Oh. You need hard work and save money. That's why. I remember when I'm very young, lack of money, no foods, no money, no foods, as in. That's why even a young age need to work for foods. You look amazing for 41 gold. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you, Magic 12. Uh-huh. Even when I'm grade school, I experienced that I work, going to school, work, school, something like. That's why I never enjoy the like study. Then when I'm in high school, before going to work, need to work. Before going to school, need to work because a lack of no foods, no money. Then from here, the home going to school, need to just walk going to school because no money for tricycle here. When high school life, because need to go to the mountain, need to plant for vegetable to sell the vegetable for money. My fault, I'm doing too many stupid things when I was younger, not finishing school. My dream is to finish the school when I was young, but not too lucky because at the young age need to work to survive. It's your husband who's good. My not yet husband, but I'm engaged, Magic 12. I'm getting married soon. But he's good. Super good. Yes, super good. He's so good for me. Mabakal ka na? Bakal na?
Tapos,
Nice for you. Thank you, Magic 12. How about you, Magic 12? Are you married? Do you have a kids? How many kids do you have? What you doing there in France, Paris, France? Don't tell me you're single. Nice for you. Yes, don't tell me you're single, Magic 12. At the age of 37. I'm happy for you. Thank you, Magic 12. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm happy. This is good to me. He treat me good. Super good. I'm so happy. Why? What happened? Oh my God. Why alone? At 37 years old alone? No kid? Why? What happened? You need to marry your girlfriend. No kid, yes. Why? Why you want? No need to wait for... Time is gold. Thank you for 10 people in the house. I'm poker player. I'm focused on this. Okay. Oh, me too, my friend. Huh? What do you mean? I'm play online poker real cards. Oh, really? Wow. That's good. Thank you for the likes, everyone. Bingo plus Sheryl. Ah, okay. Like gamble online. Something like that. Bakal na igad. Dua tingsay kita. Ah, kuya. Yes, oh my God. Be careful. Be careful. That's good. playing online. I don't know if it's good. And I'm disabled, so it's not easy in this world. Oh, okay. Maybe you lucky playing that Magic 12. What? Why you mean disabled? What happened to you, Magic 12? What site you're playing, Magic 12? GG Poker. Mm. The cards, it's the cards. Like a cards. Four star. Okay. Oh my god. Winamax. Winamax. Like Dan House. Thank you, Ma'am Grace. Downtown sa. Thank you, Ma'am Grace. Thank you so much for joining. I'm gonna check that one. Okay po. Kain. Ano, chicken adobo po, Ma'am Grace. Thank you, Ma'am. Yay, nakabalik na ako sa live. Happy. Nagla-live na ulit ako. I'm in wheelchair, yes. What happened? Magic 12. Why you in a wheelchair? What happened to you? Mabuti naman. Yes po. Nagkaroon ako ng violation sa hindi ako may gawa. So dahil channel ko to, responsible ako, kaya ingat-ingat din. Kauwi ko lang from Manila. Wow! Sana all nakatagaytay. Sana all pahinga muna. Sana all nakatagaytay, nakabakasyon. Bakit ano nangyari? Yung anak ko kasi, tapos dun sa may kasama ko nun si Mike, yung anak ko kasi, sabi maghihiwa ng pakwan. Tapos pumunta lang ako dun sa sa kwarto. May kinuha lang ako. Pagbalik ko, siga yung anak ko, yung kutsilyo, ihihiwa na niya dun sa pakwan. Bawal yun. Bawal yung matatalim, bawal yung kaya nagkaroon ako ng restrict. So ingat. It is France site Magic 12. Yeah. I don't, yeah, really, France website, France site. Good evening. Hi, Sister Hexon. Thank you for joining, Sir Chester. Thank you po. Good evening, beautiful Cheryl. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, Sir Chester. Bart Carrier. Hello, beautiful. Your hairstyle is very nice. Thank you, Bart. What? Oh my God. Ay, oh my God.
Apa din si Titi Grace?
Nandoon si Tudang. Trabaho din kapalit nun. Oo nga. Saka hindi rin ma-enjoy. Masulit yung enjoy kasi limited yung gala. Pero at least nakatagaytay. Pagod much. Fred Tutu Vlog. Good evening. Hi, Sir Fred Tutu Vlogs. Thank you for joining. Bawal talaga. Upo. Limited yung gala. Tapos ano din. Ano yan? Ano nyo, ma'am? Seminars po sa trabaho? Ay, bata with a knife. Yes po. Bata with a knife. That's why I restrict my life before. That's why. Pusakal. Misoku. Hi. Hello, Pusakal from Ma'am Grace. Pusakal. Kumusta po kayo? Okay naman, Sir Fred, to vlogs. Sister Substan from Ma'am Grace. Hello, Ma'am GTV from Pusakaw. Opo, yeah, o kahit pa paano. Hi, Kevin Spiritu. I was born disabled due to lack of oxygen at birth. Ah, okay, Magic 12. Training pagbalik kami naman na mapa-training. Kaya nga too much ano ba yan? Ang tawag doon, need to refresh the knowledge, more knowledge to training. Oh my God. You deserve Ma'am Grace the rest. Kasi bakasyon ngayon, dapat nagre-rest. Hi, guapa Sheryl from JS. Hi, JS. Thank you for joining. Yes, pusa. Pusa ka. Guapa Grace from JS Rocker. Guapo JS. Mega love shoutout. Just got home, JS. Pahinga watching muna. Thank you, Ma'am Grace. Thank you, JS, for joining. Welcome home, Grace. Yeah, welcome home. Welcome back home. Thank you so likes. Thank you for the likes, everyone. Ako na lang. Thank you, Jess. Thank you so much. Gab, pabutang man tabi dito sa balayo ay sa ano? Kaya Gab. Ready po. Bawag mo muna ini sa ayam. Bago may butang tabi sa hugasan. Salamat, kuya.
Bawag ko na. Then,
Maski doon lang sa luwas, okay. Kakaunin na lang kasi butang mo sa hugasan.
yeah.
Gab, paluwayan. Ano mo? Kaya naka-live ako. Bawal na sa ako music. Paluwayan.
Music, please.
Bawal nga sa ako. Kaya naantok na ako. Tired today. Sorry. Which city in your country would you recommend visiting to maybe find the woman of my life? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe sometimes no need to find. It just happened. Maybe I recommend a lot of but maybe you need to I don't know where you need to be careful to find a Filipina, because a lot of Filipina, because be careful, because a lots, not all, but a lots of Filipina pretend they love you, they pretend to loving you, but their intention is not good. They will scam you. So you need to be careful of the find the tips. You need to be careful. Then you need to search the background of this, of the woman. That's why maybe sometimes it's better to be alone than with someone toxic, something like that, not good, that bad. If you something like that. But maybe maybe you will meet someone in at a perfect time, something like that. Jess, why you say bunso? I'm saying because Magic 12, Cheryl is shy to say. Um, I'm giving advice, Magic 12, like a suggestion. You're asking suggestion where please visiting, which city in your country, here in the Philippines. I think everywhere having a good, but also having a bad people. Maybe if you find, I don't know what what you say, bunso. I not that bad, thanks, beauty. I know that bad, thanks. Yes, magic. Sometimes people, magic club. Sometimes people they like the appearance than the heart. They like the looks, the looks, the something like magic look out in province, stay away from city. Yeah. There's a Filipino woman who lives in Tondo, Manila. She told me she loves me there. Can I believe here? Sir Ben, I don't know. Yes. Opo. Opo. I don't know, Sir Ben, if she's telling the truth, if she's sincere. Maybe you need to know her more because she's living in the city most. She's living in the Tondo, Manila. Thanks, guy. Yeah, need to be careful. Not easy to find the real one. Not too easy because at first we didn't know if there are good intention, because sometimes love is blind. Sometimes when having the loving someone, having a loving someone, all of them, they are good, even if they they do the something like they do bad things about us. So we didn't know about that because we love that person. Magic, you still here? Yeah.
Father, ka na? Bigyan na raw yan. Ha?
Magic, you still here? Magic.
Taga na lang ang baboy mo na. Ay, taga na lang ang baboy.
Someone told me that the place where she lives is a dangerous place. Yes,
Ay, ito na pag
dangerous place in Manila.
kayo mo.
Yes po, Sir Ben. That's why you need to be careful about Manila. I Tondo Manila is something like that. Anyway, you can see your a beautiful person. What? Magic? You know what, Magic? The beauty is just for the outside for the woman, but you need to find that the woman having a sincere and real, because the front is just it's just like a display. I just like a Magic. Look up the channel called with D. She will tell you all about the Philippines. Yes. Thank you so much for helping me. Yes po, Sir Ben. Because living there in Tondo, no need to trust to anybody. Most your things, your belongings, no need to trust when you go there. So that's why. Need to be careful. You see, you're a good person. Magic, and I never say that I'm a good person, but I also having I'm a good to those people good and treated me good, treated me right, but I also having a bad side because I'm not a perfect person. I'm having a bad side. And I'm not beautiful. My God. I beg to differ. I beg to differ. Sorry. Feel sleepy na. Nobody's perfect, but it shows. Yes. Have a good day, everyone. Have a good day, Magic. Thank you for joining. Kisses. Kisses. Hi, Angel. Quinko. Hi, Angel. Babang! Babang, come here, Babang! Babang! Come here. Kiss mo, Wawa. Wow, ganda. Ganda. Come here. Ganda ni Babang. Ah, pabayaan mo na. Come here. Kiss mo, Wawa, dali. Ka na na. Ba, saan ka na? Kiss mo, Wawa, dali na. Nanggigigil na si Wawa. I want to hear about this Sheryl bad side. My bad side, sir. Jess, my bad side. My bad side. I hate the fake people. I hate a liars. I hate the kwan. I hate the fake supporter. My bad side. Wait. I have a lot of bad side. Like I hate the people when I know before I ask and I know something, then they tell a lie. I hate that. I hate a liars. there you can't receive gifts because you're married now and your husband might get jealous. Sir Ben? Yes, sir. Sir Ben? Yes. Yeah, only man kiss me. Only one, and that's it, and not good for clingy to other. Not good for me and for him. Disrespect. Ariat, hi Deezer. Hello. Hi. Thank you for joining. Sorry. I swear, I can't imagine letting someone can't imagine anything that two of us can do. This is a die. Sumabay, sumabay. Get down. Get. If you're enjoying the streams so far, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps the channel out. Thank you, JS. Thank you so much. Thank you po.
Aray ka pati Brazilian.
We will rock you.
Ah, parang friends yung ginagawa.
Thank you, JS. Thank you so much. Gab. Ayun, sanay na kamaturog na kita, kuya. Please. Ayan. Not you. I swear, I can't imagine it. And fell sleepy na. Kuya Gab. Kamo na. We're going to sleep. Come on. Lila. Kuya. Kuya Gab. Maghapon ka na soon.
Yun na.
Tayo. Going to sleep na. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys.